Let us see in this video how to create a cash receipt voucher against a new reference. A cash receipt voucher against a new reference is an accounting document used to record cash received in advance from a customer or party before the actual sales or service is completed. The term new reference refers to an advance payment received without any reference document, such as an existing invoice or bill, at the time of receipt. Let us take some invoices. Cash is Cashier 1. Customer name is Smart Life Cycle and Traders. Bill number and bill amount. First bill number, SLCIN01, bill amount 3,000 rupees. Second bill number, SLCIN02, bill amount 2,000 rupees. GL account as Smart Life Cycle and Traders is AR. Total amount, 5,000 rupees. This slide shows the cash receipt workflow approval process. It consists of two levels, reviewing and approving. First, after entries are created by the creator, the document will be forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor has reviewed the document, it will be forwarded to the manager, who will approve it. Then the manager will review and approve the document. This is how the workflow works. Log in with the creator's username and password to prepare a cash receipt voucher against a new reference. Click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction, then Payment and Receipt. Navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Add button to create a new cash receipt entry. In the Document Mode field, choose Cash Receipt. In the Cash field, choose the cashier. Select the voucher date. This is the date the cash transaction took place. Prefix and transaction currency will be updated automatically. Click the Save button. Once the document is saved, the cash receipt voucher is created and the header is generated automatically. In the Line section, select the appropriate GL account of the party. To add the line, click the Add Line button. Once the GL account is selected, the party name and cost or profit center description will be updated automatically. Click the Save button. Once the document is saved, click the View button. Click the Add button. In the Against type, New Reference will be selected by default. Enter the relevant bill or document number and update the bill or document date. Enter the receipt amount. CR type will be updated automatically. If required, the DR or CR can be changed. The amount in BC will update automatically. Party type will be updated as customer, and party name and account type will be updated automatically. Click the Add button to add another new reference bill. Update the bill or document date. Enter the receipt amount. The document type will update automatically, and the amount in BC will be updated based on the receipt amount. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal will be created. Once created, click on View Journal to review it. The cashier account will be debited, and the party account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the supervisor. Click OK. Navigating to the supervisor login, click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once reviewed, click on Approve to forward it to the manager. Navigating to the manager's login, click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen. Click the Detail button to review the document. Once reviewed, click Approve. Click OK. The document is now approved. Navigate back to the creator's login, click the Login button, click Financials, then Transaction. Navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. The document can now be viewed in approved status. Thank you for watching this video.